Slide the kayak in, you're already at my side. Nose in the air, tail wagging. You hop in first, like you own the boat. Paws on the edge, life jacket on. One little shuffle, then you look at me like, hurry up, let's go chase the trees. Your ears in the wind, your eyes stay wide. You lean to the left when the current slides. She loves it, waves on her nose, joy in her body. She wags so hard, paddle after paddle, just me and my friend. You watch a heron from the boat, wagging your tail as we float down. You stand tall like you captain the boat. Every bend we take, you know what comes next. A bigger view and a wag in your chest. No leash, no rush, just you and me, drifting past while we dream by the old tree. She loves it, she loves it, just me and my friend. Paddle after paddle, she's wagging beside me. She loves it, she loves it, just me and my friend. When the day runs long and the water slows, you lay right down as the warm sun glows. I scratch your head, thankful for my friend. She loves it, she